Namaskar, you are watching Satyamev News and this is Nirmala Rao. Chetak Foundation, the CSR arm of Chetak Logistics, the leader in automobile logistics, has been recognized and won the CSR Time Awards in the health category. At the 8th CSR Time E-Summit Award organized online by CSR Times in Delhi recently. Shri Ajay Bhatt, Honorable Minister of State, Defence and Tourism, Government of India, was the chief guest of this event, and the guest of honor was Shri Rang Barni, Honorable Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha. The event was hosted by Shri Harsh Chandra, Editor CSR Time. The chief guest congratulated the winners for their tremendous efforts in making a difference in society. Chetak Foundation was especially acknowledged for its performance in health category as it carried out various initiatives during COVID, distributing thousands of sanitization kits to drivers and frontline workers of Sir Gangaram Hospital, Delhi Metro, Indian Oil Corporation, CRPF and others. The foundation also arranged eye checkup camps and provided free spectacles to truck drivers in association with global NGO Vision Spring.
In the healthcare sector, and this is being awarded to a startup, Chetak Foundation. They've been recognized for their project Swasthya Plus Health. Chetak Foundation decided to focus on helping frontline workers during the COVID scenario. The foundation felicitated the underprivileged drivers and the COVID frontline workers at hospitals. Some of the hospitals were Sir Gangaram Hospital, Delhi Metro DMRC and Indian Oil Corporation, with high-quality dry ration and sanitization kits. Free eye checkup camps were organized for the underprivileged truck drivers, and they were provided with free spectacles by the Chetak Foundation. Mr. Arun Arora, the director, joins us. Congratulations to you, sir, and to your team, and requesting you now for your acceptance message.
I am Arun Arora, Director, Chetak Foundation. Chetak Foundation is a CSR arm of Chetak Logistics, and it has been set up as a tribute to the founder of Chetak Logistics, Shri J.K. Sharma ji. We've been conferred upon an award by CSR Times in the health category, and we are really delighted and thankful to CSR Times as well as the entire jury. At Chetak Foundation, we are determined to make a difference in the lives of underprivileged people, and we have chosen to focus in the areas of health, education, environment and road safety. We would once again like to thank you, CSR Times, the entire jury and other participants for making this program a great success. Thank you.
The CSR Time Awards was judged by esteemed jury comprising Justice M.S.A. Siddiqui, former Justice and Chairman, National Commission of Minority Educational Institutions, Government of India; Dr. Ashutosh Karnatak, former CMD, GAIL, Member Technical, Aptel, Government of India; Shri A.K. Tyagi, former Chairman, Macon Limited, Government of India Enterprises; and Shri Ravi Shankar, Director, Inner Globe Academy. CSR Times Award focused on honoring and celebrating the innovation of significant contribution that CSR practices make to the economy and to the society as a whole. Speaking on this occasion, Mr. Sachin Haritash, Director, Chetak Foundation, said that he is happy to have been appreciated for their efforts and to receive the CSR Time Award in this health category for Chetak Foundation, that was set up as tribute to his father, Shri J.K. Sharma. Foundation of Chetak Logistics to build upon his legacy for inclusive growth. He also said that let me also acknowledge that entire foundation team and the Chetak family to providing unstinted support and working with common vision to help underprivileged. Recently, Honorable Union Minister of State and Social Justice and Empowerment, Shri Ramdas Athavale, formally rolled out Chetak Foundation's Swasthya Health and Fitness scheme to facilitate over 1,000 underprivileged drivers and COVID frontline workers and provide them with a high-quality sanitization kit, which will prepare them to avert that third wave of COVID. The foundation also worked with the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited and CRPF to honor their frontline workers and drivers and provided them with sanitization kit. Chetak Foundation has decided to focus on board areas including education, livelihood, transport, health, safety and environment. The foundation has rolled out amazing schemes to take its mission forward like Poshan Plus, Swasthya Plus, Shiksha Se Rozgar, Zindagi Plus, Oxygen Plus and Sahayata Plus for the disaster and emergency support. Established in 1979, Chetak Group take pride in long-range strategy to providing comprehensive logistic solution for its customers. Active with over 1.5 billion square meter modern warehousing facilities according India, the group provides total supply chain solution including transportation services through all modes, warehousing and distribution, international freight forwarding, custom clearance and logistics services. Located in the national capital, the group has 60 offices and branches spread across India, all major industrial hubs to provide effective solution to its customers. And that's all in this news. Keep watching Satyamev News. हमेशा सच के साथ.